طيب السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. This is a quick revision for SBQ1. Inshallah, all these questions will be included in the SBQ, but you have to have a quick review for everything we did in the booklet. The question, how many distinct factors? So we check how many times the graph crossed or touched the x-axis is 2 times. What is the x-intercept? The x-intercept is at x equals 0 and x equals to 2. Does a tangent or a cross at x equals 0? We have a tangent. And at x equals 2, the graph crossed the x-axis. How many turning points? We have 2 turning points. So we have one maximum at x equals 0 and one local minimum at x equals approximately 1.2. This is the maximum point here, and this is the minimum point. Next question. Which substitute could be used to write the quadratic function? We take the square root of the first term. So it would be 6x to the power 2 squared. Plus, now I have to ask myself, 12 is 6x squared times what? 12 is 2 times 6x squared. Plus 4. So this is the value of u that we can consider it should be the same. So if we replace it, it will be u squared plus 2u plus 3. So the answer is A. Same story with the next one. Take the square root of 64x power. It will be 8x to the power 3 all squared. Now 24 is 3 times 8 minus 5. So again, this is u. So it will be u squared plus 3u minus 5 equals to 0. Third one is the same story. This is the easiest one because it is, we can consider it as x to the power 3 squared minus 10x to the power 3 plus 16, and x to the power 3 is u. So you have u squared minus 10u plus 16, with the answer is B. This one, the answer is what? Is B as well. Next one, this is sum of cubes. We have to memorize the rule and apply it. We know that 125 is x to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3. So I have a power 3 plus b power 3. So it will be a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this is a, well 5 is b. The rule says x plus a plus b, and x plus 5. Then x squared minus 5x plus 5 squared, which is 25. Well, answer is B. Next question. We can consider it as a special case of a quadratic formula. Mod 5.3, if you use your calculator, you will get that you got 2 values of x. X equals negative 16 and x equals to 4. But in our case, it will be x to the power 2. Why? Because we have already x to the power 4. So it will be x squared plus 16, x squared minus 4. Now you can take a square root to continue, or you can factor it one more time, is up to you. So I will have x equals plus or minus 4i, or x equals, this is not 4, this is 1. plus or minus 1. The last answer. Same story for this one. Mod 5(3), you will get x equals, or x squared equals 49 and x squared equals to 1. It will be x squared minus 49 or x squared minus 1. Take the square root for both. You will have that x equal plus or minus 7 or plus or minus 1. You can use your calculator straightforward. If it is a multiple choice question, you can use a calculator mod 5(4), I think, since it has a power of 4, and write the equation, and you can get the answer straightforward without doing any kind of calculation if it is a multiple choice. Written response, no, you have to solve. This is a grouping. We group the first two together, last two together. The first two, the common is the least power, which is x squared. So I'll have x minus 5. And the last two, I have negative 4 to have x minus 5. If I remultiply negative 4 by x, negative 4x, negative 4 by negative 5 is positive 20. So my factoring is correct. Now we continue. X minus 5 is a common, and I will have x squared minus 4 equals. Then x squared minus 4 is x minus 2 and x plus 2. This is x minus 5. Well, answer is B. And for the first one, you can take x as a GCF first and have x cubed plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. Group the first two and group the last two. You will have x here and x squared في x plus 1 plus 4 في x plus 1. You have x في x squared plus 1 في x plus 4. لا This is x plus 4 here, x squared plus 4, and this is x plus 1 equals to 0. So we will have, for the first one, x equals 0. For this one, x equals negative 1. And for the middle one, you will have x squared equal negative 4. Take the square root, it will be plus or minus 2i. So 0, negative 1, plus or minus 2i. The answer is A. Next one is the same thing. If we need to factor it, we agreed always, we advise, check if there is a GCF at the beginning. So we have x as a GCF. Have x squared plus 4x minus 5. Use mod 5(3), you will have x equal plus 5. You have x plus 5 here and x minus 1. The answer is A. And we agreed, when you find it at calculator, x equal negative 5, x equal 1, when you factor it, change the sign. This is the way of solving. Next one, two triangles with the same area. So the area of the first, length and width, equal the area of the second. That means x plus 4 equal to x plus 3 for x minus 2. Now we distribute. I will have x squared plus 4x, and I will have 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. These are like terms. Minus x minus 6. This is x squared. And I will move it to the right side. To have 2x squared minus x minus 6 minus x squared minus 4x equals to 0. And we check the like term. These two are like terms. Minus x minus 4x are like terms. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Calculator mode 5, 3, you will get x equals 6, x equal negative 1. When negative 1 we said is rejected, then we are talking about side length. So the answer is 6. Last one, use synthetic substitution. If it is a multiple choice, just replace. 3 to the power 3 minus 3 squared plus 3 by 3 minus 4. Put it all in the calculator. The answer will be 27. Question number 32. If x plus 5 is a factor of, find the remaining. We have to use a synthetic. Switch the sign. Negative 5 in the box. You have 1, 2, negative 19, negative 20. Move this one down and multiply. Negative 5 by 1 is negative 5. Add them negative 3. Negative 5 by negative 3 is 15. Add them. Negative 4 by negative 5 is 20. The remainder should be 0. The highest power is power 3. So I have to start with x squared. And this is x. So I have x plus 5 with x squared minus 3x minus 4. Mod 5, 3 for this one, you will have x minus 3 and x plus 1 in addition to x plus 5. طبعا على calculator you will get x equals 4 or x equal negative 1. You have to switch the sign. احنا we need only the factor part, which is a. Last, okay. The volume giving the width, find the expression represent length and height. We will do the same thing, synthetic, and we write the other factor. This one is equals to 0. So x will be negative 1 in the box. We have 1, negative 2, negative 21, negative 18. It went down. Negative 1 is negative 1. Add them. Negative 3 by negative 1 is 3. Add them. Negative 18 by negative 1 is 18. The remainder is 0. It should be 0. The highest power is 3. So I have to start with x squared. And this is x. So now we are having x plus 1 with x squared minus 3x minus 18. Mod 5, 3 for these, you will have x minus 6 or x plus 3, and these are x plus 1. Well, answer is again A. Question number 35, which is the last question. The question we did similar question similar to this question, but I changed a little bit one of these questions. Have a look at it. Find k so that x minus 4 divided with no remainder. That means when I replace x equals 4 in the expression, the answer will be 0. يعني 4 to the power 3 minus 2 في 4 squared plus 3 في 4 plus k equals to 0. None of the question says there's no remainder. All this our calculator, I think it becomes 44. So 44 plus k equal to 0. Send the 44 to the other side, so k will be negative 44. Well, answer is B. The last question is similar to the questions above. To find the other factors, or you can change the sign and replace to check which one of these is the correct answer. This is a quick revision for the SBQ. Have a look at it, practice on it, and have a look to the other questions. I highlighted, I think, with pink, in case we missed any of these in this worksheet. Good luck.